Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the reduce transparency and blur function in Samsung Galaxy S22. We are going to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options right here, and in visibility enhancements when we scroll down we have our reduce transparency and blur function. So what does it do? From this short explanation, reduce visual effects on dialog and menus to make them easier to see. So if you want to, we can turn on this option right here. No need to save, we can safely go back to our home screen, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.